Stiff neck is often caused by muscle tension, poor posture, stress, or underlying health conditions. When the neck is stiff, we are unable to turn left and right to look back, and the pain extends to the shoulders, back and upper arms, which greatly affects our daily life. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, thinks this is because the flow of qi and blood in the meridians is blocked. To treat this, there are a variety of acupoints that are commonly used. These have been shown to effectively alleviate pain, reduce muscle tension, and promote relaxation. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on the healing sky. Here are some of the most commonly used acupuncture points for treating stiff neck. 1. Fengqi GB20, also known as the wind pool point, is located on the back of the neck, below the base of the skull, in the hollows just behind the earlobes. It's one of the most essential acupoints for treating a stiff neck. Stimulating Fengqi helps to relieve neck tension, headaches, and shoulder pain, encourages relaxation of the neck muscles, and promotes better blood circulation, which can lead to significant relief from a stiff neck. 2. Jianjing GB21 is another vital acupoint, situated on the top of the shoulders, halfway between the base of the neck and the tip of the shoulder. This point is particularly effective for releasing tension in the neck and shoulder muscles. Acupuncture at Jianjing can help alleviate muscle knots, improve range of motion, and reduce discomfort associated with a stiff neck. 3. Tianzhu BL10, located at the midpoint of the back of the neck between the first and second cervical vertebrae. Tianzhu is an important acupoint for neck issues. Stimulation of this point helps to relieve neck stiffness and discomfort by reducing muscle tension and promoting blood circulation in the neck region. 4. Hergu Li4, while not located directly on the neck, Hergu is a powerful acupoint situated on the back of the hand between the thumb and forefinger. Stimulating Hergu can influence the flow of qi and blood throughout the body, making it an excellent point to address neck issues. 5. Lique Lu7 is found on the hand, on the radial side of the forearm, about 1.5 inches above the wrist crease. Stimulating this point is believed to have a balancing effect on the muscles and tendons of the neck. 6. Shu Sanli Li10 is an acupoint on the lateral side of the elbow, 3 fingers below the elbow crease. While not specific to the neck, this point has the effect of loosening muscles and activating collaterals, reducing nerve pain, and even the pain of bone spurs. 7. Zhu Sanli ST36, located on the leg, about 4 finger widths below the kneecap. Zhu Sanli is not a direct neck point, but it's a very powerful point, which is an important point for overall relaxation and circulation. Stimulating this point can help reduce stress and tension throughout the whole body, which can indirectly alleviate neck stiffness related to stress and anxiety. 8. Weiguan SJ5 is on the back of the forearm, approximately 3 fingers above the wrist crease. Acupuncture at this point can help release tension in the neck and shoulder muscles and promote overall relaxation, making it effective for treating a stiff neck. 9. Hushi Si3, located on the ulnar border of the hand, just behind the 5th finger, is a commonly used point for acute stiff neck. This point is the gateway acupuncture point leading to the spine by way of the shoulders, neck, and scapula. Hushi is also an important distal point for all disorders of the neck as well as disorders of the shoulder, elbow, arm, lower back, and knees. 10. Quenluan UB60, located in the depression between the midpoint of the outer malleolus and the Achilles tendon. This is a commonly used point for treating neck, shoulder, waist, and leg pain. Extra 1. Wai Laogong, also called stiff neck point, is a reflex point on the back of the hand. Its only job is to treat neck and shoulder pain, so it's very effective as well. Extra 2. Master Tung's magic point on the hand, Chongzi and Chongshan. They are located inside of the palms and below the thumb, just alongside the second finger bone. You can massage or needle these points to eliminate the pain, or you may have an acupuncturist needle them for you. Stimulating these points can help to alleviate pain and improve mobility. Many patients report significant relief from neck pain and improved range of motion after a series of acupuncture sessions. What else can you do? You could reduce the burden on the neck muscles and avoid excessive activities. If necessary, you can use a hot towel, electric blanket, or rub the palms of your hands to apply heat to the neck. Or you can use moxa, which is another effective way to heat up your body and improve blood flow. Furthermore, moderate neck movement exercises can also help to accelerate the recovery of stiff neck. Cupping therapy, a technique that involves applying suction cups to the skin surface, is also used in TCM for neck problems. Cupping can help improve blood circulation, reduce muscle tension, and release toxins from the body. By promoting better circulation around the neck and shoulder, this therapy can enhance the body's natural healing processes and reduce swelling, pain, and stiffness. Gua sha, scraping, is another effective way to treat stiff neck. Using a scraping board to rub the skin surface to scrape out some subcutaneous bleeding. Traditional Chinese medicine considers this bleeding to be sha, which means that qi and blood are stagnant in the scraped area. Sha means that local qi and blood are unobstructed, similar to body sweating concept. Scraping not only promotes qi and blood circulation, but also has the effect of driving away diseases or pathogens in the body. Whether a stiff neck requires scraping or cupping depends on the situation. If it is due to wine cold and muscle stiffness, then scraping and cupping can promote blood circulation. But if it is due to drinking too little water, the body is dry, and the lack of body fluid in the body will weaken the muscles. If the membrane is tight, then scraping and cupping may have the opposite effect. Instead, drinking more water, applying heat, and doing some stretching will help. One more thing. The famous Chinese red flower oil is also often used before massage or gua sha. It improves blood circulation and has a warming, analgesic, and pain-relieving effect. Feel free to try any of these. Your stiff neck will be much better very, very soon. I hope that this video is useful for you guys. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell button to get new video updates.